Welcome to the DTC Concepts YouTube channel. I'm Dan. Hopefully you know that by now. If you're enjoying the content, please give us a like and subscribe. Very much appreciate it. Today, we are diving into curb appeal. So I'm going to talk about 5 things that will make your house look like $1 million. Unless you are on one of the 2 coasts, then theoretically, I guess it would be how to make your house look like $2 million because everything is overpriced. So we're going to get into all the things you can do without breaking the bank or starting an OnlyFans account. So let's get into it. First one's pretty easy, your front door. It's a huge moment. People walk through it all of the time. If it's older, you don't want to take the time or money to replace it, paint it. Refinish the stain, freshen it up, bring it back to life. This is something that is not difficult to do. You want to do it right. I highly recommend hiring a professional because if you were like me and you went to paint your front door, you would forget to do whatever prep work you needed to do, followed by whatever priming work you needed to do to make the paint stick. So recommend a professional, but regardless, still not that much money. It can add a whole different feel to your house. You can go for something dramatic. You can go for something bold. You can go for something crazy. You can do whatever you want. It's your house. You're just making the curb appeal better. So that is the first one. Paint that front door. Technically, it's not painting, but you could also change out the hardware on that front door. Kind of falls into that same category. So, okay, now on to number 2, plants. I'm not saying you need to go out and hire a landscape design firm for your front lawn. If you can afford to do it, great. It's on my bucket list of things to do on my home. But if you can't, just find, whatever works in your climate that stays alive, or do some fake ones, but just add some greenery. It adds warmth and it makes that space feel welcoming as people approach. It's pretty easy. I have done it at my house. However, they are all fake, but people compliment them all the time and can't believe how healthy they look. So, all right, number 3, outdoor lighting. This is a passion of mine. I talk about lighting ad nauseum. I can say there's so many fantastic options out there. When we were doing our home, I was being, I don't want to say lazy, I was tired. I was decision fatigued and I was going to go with something basic that you see in our neighborhood everywhere. And my wife pushed back, rightfully so. She knew we were better than that, and we took some time to find some lights that we truly loved. And it makes a big impact. I have people compliment our lighting all of the time. They notice it when they walk up. So pay attention to the lighting in the front of your house. Not just lights that are on your house, but if you have walkway lighting that you want to add in, or mood lighting out there, some spot lighting if you've got some beautiful greenery. Any type of lighting is going to add some character and curb appeal to your home. Number 4, update your house numbers. People should be able to tell where you live. So, first one, the curb. Get a new paint job on that curb of your house number. Second one, take a look at the actual numbers on your house. I don't know why, but for the last couple of years, it felt like people thought the bigger and the more modern a huge number was, the better it was for the front of their house. I'm not saying to do that. I don't need to have your street address slap me in the face. I'm talking about just something that is tasteful, that is clearly viewable, and that looks nice as you walk up. In fact, I also have one that I used at my house and a few of the flips that we've done that I personally love, and it does not break the bank. And hopefully, when this video gets edited, it gets put in the comments below because it is great and you can put your street address. In fact, I loved it so much, I forgot I wanted to put it also on my kids' clubhouse in the backyard, which now I remembered that I need to order. So, house address. Bigger is not always better. We are here to the last one. This went pretty quick. Power wash. Power wash everything. Everything. Your windows, the front of your house, your driveway, your porch, all of it, your garage. Houses get dusty. If you're like me, you probably spend a little bit of time with a spray bottle of a Dawn/water mixture and scrub your house, because I know that is pretty common for people to do. It's one of my favorite pastimes. But if you're one of those that Don't spend your weekends doing scrubbing on your exterior walls. Power wash is a really easy way to clean everything up. It's gonna make it look nice, and it's truly something you should do a couple of times a year because outside of houses need just as much upkeep, if not more, than the inside. So, all right, there you have it. I hope you found this list helpful. I hope it inspires you to go out and make your curb appeal better. I'm gonna try to list these from memory: power wash, house number, front door, outdoor lighting, and plants. Look at that. I only had to look at the script for 3 out of the 5 of them. So if you like this, please give us a like and subscribe. Let me know what I did wrong, what I did right. If you have any questions, hopefully we link these products that I talk about, and come on back for some more tips and tricks.